Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got an exciting video for all you tech-savvy drivers out there. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, having a reliable dash cam is crucial for capturing those unexpected moments on the road. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams of 2024. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. Number 5, Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. If you want the smallest and more discreet dash cam on the market, then the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is for you. Barely the size of a key fob, the Mini 2 forgoes features like a touchscreen display in favor of being so small it hides neatly behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its compact size, the Dash Cam Mini 2 records in full HD at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. This puts it a little behind other, larger members of the Garmin Dash Cam family, which shoot at 1440p through wider, 180-degree lenses. But we feel 1080p is still good enough for a dash cam, especially one that is this compact and competitively priced. Sticking with design for now, the Dash Cam Mini 2 is remarkably compact. The front houses nothing more than the lens and a ball-end socket joint which connects to a short arm. This then has an adhesive pad for sticking to the windscreen. Number 4, 70mm A800S Dash Cam. The 70mm A800S has identical features as the A800 it is replacing. It has a large 3-screen G-sensor and built-in GPS. The camera comes with Wi-Fi and supporting apps for Android and iOS. Unlike many dash cams with poorly designed apps, the 70mm app is pretty good. The A800S has advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, built into the camera. Most owners find this feature annoying and typically turn it off, while the A800S is bigger than other 70mm cameras at 89 by 60 by 36 mm. The wedge-shaped form factor allows for discreet mounting. The camera comes with audio, screen and LED error notifications. The build quality is good and we expect reliability to be similar to the A800 which was above average. The camera can be mounted directly to the windshield or on a provided electrostatic sticker. The electrostatic sticker allows you to remove the camera from the windshield without leaving any residue. Sticking directly to the windshield without the electrostatic sticker will provide a firmer mount. The camera cannot swivel to record interactions at the driver or passenger windows. Number 3, Vantrue N5. The Vantrue N5 is based on the Novatec NT98529 processor. It uses a 5MP Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 CMOS sensor for the front camera while the other 3 cameras record at 1080p and use the Galaxy Core GC2093 CMOS sensor. The Vantrue N5 front camera records 1944p video at 30 frames per second with an average bitrate of 14 megabits per second. The front camera has good video quality during the day and good above average video at night. While not up to par with 4K Starvis 2 dash cams like the Vantrue N4, the video quality is reasonable. The rear camera records 1080p video at 30 frames per second with an average bitrate of 10 megabits per second. Compared to the front camera, the video quality is not as impressive. Would consider it good during the day and average at night. There is some graininess at night but the video is still quite usable. Number 2, Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Here we are looking at the current flagship, called the 67W. That letter is significant, as it refers to the wider lens of this dash cam compared to its siblings. The field of view is 180 degrees, compared to 140 degrees for the Dash Cam Mini 2, 47 and 57 not new for the 67W. And the rest of the current Garmin range, is a feature called Vault Storage, where recordings of incidents are automatically uploaded to the cloud, via a Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone. If you're familiar with recent Garmin dash cams then you'll know the score here. Compact, matchbox-shaped and subtle, the Dash Cam 67W packs a lot of technology into its small frame. The rear is taken up by a 2-inch display, controlled using 4 buttons on the right side, with the most important one, which manually saves video, protruding slightly to make it easy to press without taking your eyes off the road. Number 1, Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. The 622 gigawatts is Nextbase's top-of-the-line camera, And its features list is almost as head-spinning to us as one of Lieberman's reviews is to the readership of Quilters Monthly. The 622 gigawatts is capable of shooting video at resolutions up to 4K, great for getting license plates of hit-and-run yahoos. It has image stabilization, a polarizer on the lens to cut glare in the windshield, great low-light performance, and the ability to take Alexa commands. It detects collisions, automatically saving the video just before and after, and can automatically call for emergency services, and even transmit your location and medical history. If you don't know where you are, it'll tell you using what 3 words. The camera also has rear view and cabin cam add-ons. And there is a time-lapse mode, which we used to record our cross-country Trans-America trail journey with Rivian. As far as we can tell, anything any dashcam can do, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts does, and there you have it, folks, our top 5 best dashcams of 2024. I hope this video helps you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect dashcam for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.